I hear upside down.
Hello.
Really cool.
That wasn't me. Don't do that.
I'm just kidding.
What are you doing?
Recording you in there.
You do that. Where's my drink? Hey, no. Is this one mine?
Yeah, I might add the blue one. This is Nicole Fraser reporting live. I mean, sorry. I'm Rick Stuffy reporting live at Nicole Fraser's house. It's scary. Okay, Alan. I'm sneaking up in a scary place.
I'm serious.
She's going downstairs. Scary. She's going into the kitchen. I must hurry.
Mark's stalking me.
Bye.